Hi guys, I'm KK and welcome to Discover Musicality. Now, I'm someone who believes that songwriting is an ability that everyone can enjoy. In this channel, I want to expand on the things that I've written in the book by making videos about tips and tricks, songwriting tutorials, discussions, concepts, song studies, memes, editorials, artistry, and branding. Talk about songwriting in almost every way. More personal, more holistic, and subjective, but in a way that gets you closer towards your own musical goals. I started out young as a songwriter hobbyist. I already knew that I loved songwriting. It did not mean that I was any good at it, but I was willing to learn. And throughout all my years and experiences, I've been blessed with a great band called Calle Teresa. Been together for more than 10 years now, and we've not just written more than 2 albums worth of material ready to be recorded. We're currently recording our debut album, and we're a band who's performed a lot. We've performed songs from RHCP, Green Day, Metallica, MCR, BOT, Eraserhead, some other local Filipino bands, Spandau Ballet, Spandu Ballet, however you say that name, I still don't know how. Foo Fighters, name any major band and we probably covered 1 or 2 songs. And this allowed us insight into not just their musicality, but why they write the way they do, why their style sounds that particular way. And apart from that, I've also been lucky enough to be part of the local music scene wherein I was able to meet other artists and other musicians from a ton of different styles, including rock, R&B, hip-hop, EDM, what have you. They've allowed me more access into their songwriting process and why they write the way they write and why they craft their songs the way they do. When you add all of that and take the personal wisdom and epiphanies that I've also learned, I think that I have a way to explain songwriting in a more tangible, relatable way. If there's anything to take away from my book, it's this. Songwriting is about taking you, that's right, you, and putting that into consideration on how to build the craft that you're building and how to develop your vision as a songwriter so that your music doesn't just play by its own rules, it's also defined by the horizons that you set it to be. I'm really excited to keep on adding more new videos and keep talking about more songwriting. And if you have any questions or anything that you'd like to suggest or comment about, please don't hesitate to do so in the comment section, and I will message to you too. By the way, my book, Genuine Songwriting Voice, Unlock Unique Musicality by Being True to You, is finally available for pre-order. If you want to grab a copy, a digital one, you can do so through Gumroad or my website. And if you want to get it through paperback, check it out on Amazon. That's it. Thank you so much, and I'm really excited to be part of your songwriting journey. I want to take all of these skills and insights that I've learned through my 15 years as a musician, trying to build a long-lasting career in order to help you guys develop your own musicality. Because who doesn't want more music to listen to, right? And I'm a music fan at heart, very first and foremost, before I am a musician. So I'm really excited to be sharing what I know. That's it. Take care.